Alright guys, it's been a while since I've done a video. It's a little breeze out here, sorry if you can't hear me. That's the barn area I came across in the field. And been going around straight down and was coming back up. Right over there I found a nickel, probably more of a newer, probably in the upper 40s, 50s. But it just got me a hell of a signal. Let me see if you guys can kind of figure out what that could be. I haven't cleaned it up, as you can see. Oh my God, that looks like a tongue for a tongue and wreath. Oh my God. I don't want to rub on it, but my God, that's what it looks like. That's exactly what it is. There's probably something on the face because I can see it got some raised up areas. But I'm going to go see if I can find me some water to clean it up. Either that or I'll just keep moving and clean it up when I get to my truck. Holy shit. Oh, it's nice and heavy too. That's got to be what it is. That'll be my first one I've ever found. So hopefully it's something good. Like I said, I don't want to rub it, so I don't want to mess it up. But I do believe that's what it's going to be. All right. Thanks for looking. Hey guys, it's been a few minutes, probably about 10 minutes since I dug that tongue right over there. Been kind of going around this whole area. Just got a signal right on the surface. You can see right here. I already pulled it out. It just kind of dug into the dirt. But it's a little buckle. Right over there. So it's just a few rows over. So it's like a promising little spot. All right. Thanks for looking. All right. Actually, I put my detector down. I was going to walk to the truck, get some water. I got a little bit of water right here. And there she is. It's a U.S. tongue. Freaking hell yeah. That's my first Civil War buckle I've ever found. I am excited. Alright, hopefully it'll clean up pretty good. Thanks for looking.